The primary focus of today's discussion is the position of the Kaibarta Mahishya Hindu community in West Bengal's electoral dynamics. This report provides a data-driven analysis of their population, voter count, and their profound significance in state politics. In the socio-political context of West Bengal, the Kaibarta Mahishya community is not just any social group, they are the largest Hindu social group in the state. Statistics reveal that they constitute approximately 45 to 48% of the total Hindu population of West Bengal. Their votes play a decisive role in the outcomes of more than 200 assembly constituencies, making them the backbone of the state's electoral structure. The broader demographic context. West Bengal's total population is approximately 10.4 to 10.5 crores. Out of this, the Hindu population is roughly 7.3 to 7.5 crores, about 71%. Currently, the state has approximately 7.6 to 7.8 crore registered voters. Population and voter statistics. Population. Among the Hindu population, the Kaibarta Mahishya community numbers about 3.3 to 3.5 crores, which is roughly 46.5% of the total Hindu population. Voter base. Out of the state's 5.3 to 5.5 crore Hindu voters, the Kaibarta Mahishya community accounts for 2.4 to 2.6 crore voters. Impact. This means they represent 45 to 48% of Hindu voters and 32 to 34% of the total voters in the state, establishing them as a decisive voting bloc. Constituency-wise influence. Out of 294 seats, the community holds sway over more than 200. 120 to 130 seats, extremely high influence, over 30% of the vote. 80 to 90 seats, highly influential, over 20 to 30% of the vote. 50 to 60 seats, significant presence. Geographic concentration. The community is spread across key districts, East and West Medinipur, North and South 24 Parganas, Howrah, Hooghly, Nadia, and East and West Bardhaman. Medinipur, East and West, 47 to 50% of Hindu voters. Howrah and Hooghly, 46 to 50% of Hindu voters. 24 Parganas and Nadia, 44 to 47% of Hindu voters. In regions like Tamluk Kanthi, their presence is as high as 48 to 52%, while in Uluberia, Ghatal, and Arambagh, it ranges between 44 to 50%. Conclusion. The Kaibarta Mahishya community is not a marginal force but a structural power in West Bengal. With a massive strength of 2.6 crore voters, they possess the power to shift the destiny of any election.